Now, Sri Derek O'Brien ji.
Sir, along with 25 colleagues of mine, members of parliament, both from Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, I had the good fortune, we spent 4 or 5 days on a parliamentary tour, standing committee tour in Kashmir about 4 months ago. And they made 2 requests to us. So I said the next time I ever speak in parliament, we will try and keep both your requests. Their first request was that whenever Jammu and Kashmir पे चर्चा होता है, जम्मू कश्मीर में चर्चा होता है, लेकिन लद्दाख ले कोई का नाम ले लेता है. No, everyone leaves out Ladakh and Leh. So please keep us in mind. So I have kept that first promise. The second promise is, I hope will also be kept because it's a verbal promise. Because today I think in the last 2 days we've seen parliamentary history being created. The defense minister is sitting down in one house while the finance minister speaks on defense. The home minister is sitting down in this house while the finance minister speaks on home. There is a message this, sir. There is a churn happening, and all political observers in Kashmir and around the country are watching this very clearly. And I was just hoping, since the finance minister has handled guest appearance for defense and guest appearance for home, so I've got one suggestion. We didn't disturb anybody. Trinamool doesn't disturb, so let us speak for our 6-7 minutes. Because between the Congress and BJP, they've taken 1 hour.
Please address to
Chota
Chair.
beech mein hum log sab hai. So my request is to the finance minister in his own department, on behalf of the young people of Kashmir, the youth, the entrepreneurs, and the tourist operators. The one thing which they all told us, tourism can be revived, but to revive tourism, they need a break on GST. So since the finance minister is not here, maybe the law minister will convey to the defense minister, who will convey to the finance minister that this should be done. So let's come to the resolution. So the 2 basic issues here are security and the environment. So who is responsible for the security and the environment? We know who's responsible. Our straight request to the Home Minister is, please tell us, because we are stuck with this President proclamation. We're done. But we want an assurance from the Home Minister or the Finance Minister to please tell us the elections there will be held either now or latest with the Lok Sabha election. We need this assurance to happen from the Home Minister. This assurance. Third, sir, the role of the Raj Bhavan. Now, in the history of Jammu and Kashmir, one new name has been written, which even the experts of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh don't know. And that name is Alexander Bain. Alexander Bain, क्या किया था? वो ने fax machine invent किया. 150 साल आगे. और ये fax machine लेकर इतना नाटक हुआ, from a government who talks about digital India, they can't operate a fax machine through the government. Sir, the bigger point here is in Jammu and Kashmir, we've had some very solid points, and I want to take it just one step because it's also Jammu and Kashmir and the rest of the country. What is happening in these Raj Bhavans? Are they becoming branch offices of a government in power? Because it is not only the Raj Bhavan which is an institution, sir. We are concerned with all other institutions. This is not enough time today to discuss all other institutions. But let me at least try and discuss one little institution for 1.5 minutes, and that is Parliament. Sir, Parliament bills are scrutinized by select committees and standing committees. Last 2 governments, and Trinamool was not part of even the last 1.5 governments, 65 to 70% of bills went for parliamentary scrutiny. This government has set a new record. It is 19% of bills get scrutinized. We are being killed as an institution. Sir, 4 out of every 5 laws are being passed without any committee scrutiny. Sir, 9 out of 10 bills passed on security, home affairs and important issues like that, 9 out of 10 have not gone through parliamentary scrutiny. So I can give you more examples. 6 bills introduced in this session, only 6 have been introduced. None have been scrutinized by Parliament. Sir, railway budget. Please look at from the last 70 years. 9 lakhs of crores of rupees passed, guillotine, no discussion on railway budget. We don't even know where the money has gone. Sir, institutions are at stake. Raj Bhavan with the fax machine was only one example of an institution at stake. Sir, we are discussing in Parliament. It would have been beautiful if not BJP Prime Minister or any Prime Minister, if our Prime Minister came and sat here today and listened to our discussion. Maybe he would change his attitude. Because if you look at the records of Parliament, 14 hours in Lok Sabha, 10 hours in Rajya Sabha, last 1 year, 24 hours he has spent here. Good. 37 hours spent giving speeches in Gujarat during the election. So I have got no problem with a mass leader giving speeches. Mamta Di also gives speeches all over. But where is the balance? If we don't look at institutions like this, sir, then what will happen? The last time President's rule was introduced, sir, was 20 years ago. I don't want to get into statistics about pellets because these are not stories about statistics. These are human stories. 2018, 586 people have died. Sir, when the House breaks for the weekend, please go onto the WhatsApp and see those pictures. They are available. Children, mothers, fathers, they are not terrorists. They are civilians. Through you, sir, I wish to appeal to the government, the Trinamool Congress and everybody wishes to appeal to this government that we have to have the local people on board. If you don't get the local people on board, sir, we are not going to solve these issues, sir. Sir, I want to end because I know there's a tendency, this side gets a lot of time, that side gets a lot of time, but all of us parties in the middle, everyone looks at the clock when we are speaking. When we are speaking, then everyone, LOP can have his time, we have no problem.
हमें मालूम है आप खुद स्वतः समय में रहते हैं डेरिक ओब्रायन
नहीं सर, नहीं सर, ये नहीं सर, ये जो सब संस्था है वो सब बर्बाद कर रहा है, ये मेरा पॉइंट है इसमें. सब संस्था, all everyone, Parliament, Select Committee, Standing Committee, CBI, RBI is my private account. It can't work like this, sir. Sir, to come back to this, sir, sir, nationalism is not a copyright of one party. And we don't want to listen to lectures on nationalism from one party. Please don't tell us about nationalism, sir. We are from Bengal. Sir, but I have to say this. When you claim to be a nationalist, then don't mess around. Heal Kashmir. Heal. Because otherwise, sir, you pretend to be a nationalist, you pretend to be an ultra-nationalist, and actually, think about it, you may be anti-national. Sir, I've only been, sadly, to Kashmir once for 5 days, but I've seen lots of films. Sir, it's a paradise. I would urge this government, I would urge everybody here not to turn it into hell. Thank you, sir.
धन्यवाद माननीय डेरिक ओब्रायन जी. माननीय